My name is Chris Canning, founder and CEO of Smart Cups. Thank you for the opportunity to present our vision for the future of food systems beyond Earth. Today, I'd like to introduce the Adaptive Printed Nutrient Infrastructure, APNI, a concept built on our proven precision printed ingredient technology and reimagined for long-duration human exploration. Our proposal is based on one simple idea. Producing food is only part of the challenge. Sustaining human health, performance, and resilience over 500 Martian sols requires an integrated nutritional infrastructure. This is our vision for helping make that future possible.
For thousands of years, human civilization has been defined by a single ability, our ability to grow food. No city, no nation, no civilization has ever existed without it. And now, for the first time in history, we must learn how to do it somewhere else. Mars will become the most demanding environment humanity has ever attempted to inhabit. Every drop of water, every watt of power, every square meter of habitat, every gram of food must work together as one integrated system. Imagine, it is Sol 287. The greenhouse is healthy. The hydroponic systems are producing crops. Fungal bioreactors continue generating protein. Algae cultivation remains stable. By every conventional measure, the food system is working. But the mission is beginning to experience a different problem. The challenge is no longer producing calories. The challenge is transforming those calories into complete human nutrition. Every day, for 500 Martian sols. Nutrients change, ingredients vary, flavor disappears, crew members tire of repetition, preparation consumes valuable mission time. The problem is no longer agriculture. The future of life on Mars will not depend solely on producing food. It will depend on building complete food systems. This is the missing layer. And that missing layer is built on Smart Cups technology, the world's first printed delivery system, proven on Earth, ready for Mars. Traditional food systems focus on producing calories. APNI focuses on delivering complete human nutrition. That distinction changes everything. Rather than replacing food production, APNI integrates with it. Every crop, every protein source, every stored ingredient can now be completed through one adaptive nutritional infrastructure. Each APNI vessel contains multiple precision-printed functional layers. These layers remain stable during storage. Only when activated by water or prepared food do they begin performing their intended function. Each layer serves a specific purpose. Some restore micronutrients, some support hydration, others improve flavor, others improve texture. Together, they transform available ingredients into complete meals. The printed layers activate only when needed. Water becomes the trigger. The nutrients are released in controlled proportions. Flavor systems disperse uniformly. Electrolytes dissolve immediately. The result is a nutritionally complete meal, assembled from whatever ingredients are available that day. This flexibility allows food production systems to remain operationally efficient, while APNI continuously adapts nutritional delivery. Over 500 Martian sols, the greatest challenge is not preparing one meal, it is preparing thousands. APNI allows relatively simple ingredient inventories to produce meaningful culinary variety without increasing logistics, without increasing storage, without increasing crew workload. The system transforms repetitive ingredients into diverse dining experiences that support morale, appetite, and long-term behavioral health. APNI is not a single product. It is a distributed nutritional infrastructure integrated throughout the habitat. Meal preparation, hydration, contingency nutrition, medical nutrition. Every location where food interacts with people becomes part of one unified adaptive system. The success of a Mars mission will not be measured by a single historic moment. It will be measured by ordinary mornings, repeated hundreds of times. The goal is not simply survival. The goal is sustainable daily life. Every meal begins with whatever ingredients are available that day. Crop yields naturally fluctuate. Nutrient composition changes. No two harvests are perfectly identical. Rather than forcing food production to achieve perfect nutritional precision, APNI continuously adapts the final meal. The astronaut prepares breakfast in minutes. The system quietly performs the nutritional calculations. Hydration is equally important. APNI integrates electrolyte delivery directly into standardized hydration vessels. The crew receives consistent hydration support without increasing storage complexity or preparation time. Simple systems reduce opportunities for operational error. Maintaining muscle mass, cardiovascular health, and cognitive performance requires consistent nutritional support. Rather than relying on multiple independent products, recovery nutrition becomes part of the meal itself. The infrastructure performs the work, not the astronaut. Long-duration missions introduce another challenge: time. Certain nutrients naturally decline during storage. Rather than replacing entire food inventories, APNI restores nutritional balance during meal preparation. Food remains usable. Crew health remains protected. Mission logistics remain simplified. We refer to this capability as operational grace, not because the system avoids uncertainty, but because uncertainty never becomes disruption. Infrastructure should not demand attention. It should quietly absorb complexity. The crew continues working. The mission continues advancing. The system simply adapts. A successful Mars food system is not defined by individual technologies. It is defined by how those technologies work together. Every subsystem within the habitat exists to support another. Production supports preparation. Preparation supports nutrition. Nutrition supports human performance. Human performance supports mission success. Rather than functioning as separate departments, the habitat behaves as one living system. Resources continuously circulate. Water supports agriculture. Agriculture supports food preparation. Food preparation supports the crew. Crew activity generates recyclable resources. Recovered resources support the next production cycle. APNI strengthens this ecosystem by ensuring every available food resource can be transformed into complete human nutrition. Sustainability is achieved through intelligent resource management. Food systems must extend beyond production. They must include preparation, consumption, recovery, reuse. APNI contributes to this philosophy by reducing packaging, minimizing liquid transport requirements, simplifying ingredient handling, and maximizing the nutritional value extracted from available food resources. A system designed to maximize nutrition using limited resources can strengthen disaster response, support humanitarian relief, improve military logistics, expand access to nutrition in remote communities, reduce waste, increase resilience, and help feed people wherever resources are limited. The constraints of Mars mirror many of the challenges already facing Earth. Adaptive printed nutrient infrastructure for Mars is not intended to replace food production. It exists to complete it. By connecting food production to human performance, APNI strengthens the resilience, efficiency, and sustainability of long-duration planetary missions. Because sustaining life beyond Earth will require more than growing food. It will require building food systems worthy of the people who depend on them. Thank you.